You either give me the information that I need to know, or I'm gonna fillet your girl from head to toe with no mercy. Awesome.
Wow, pretty good for a retired guy.
What are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7 on 1, cuffed with no weapon good.
Go.
Go. Shoot him, but don't kill him. All right, kill him. Spray it up. Frank, this is your last chance. Fire.